Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to request money from someone through PayPal. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select business tools. Now scroll down and select this show all button. Now scroll down again and here you guys can see this option right here called request money. So now select this and now select get started, and here from whom you want to request payment, to that you have to enter their name or username or email address or their mobile number. After entering anything like this, you just need to select on this next button right here, and then you have to put the amount that you want to receive from them, and then you just need to select on go button. And that's how you guys can request money or payments from anyone in this world through PayPal. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.